Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. First you need to make sure that Git is installed. So let me just open the Visual Studio Code and let me open the new terminal. And in order to check whether Git is installed, I will use the command git dash dash version. Yes, Git is installed, the version 2.51. If it is not installed, what you need to do is open Google search bar and you need to type download Git and you need to install it for Windows since I'm using Windows machine. So go to Git and click Windows, and all you need to do is just click this Git for Windows 64-bit setup, and this is going to start the download process. So once this is done, you need to install this Git in your system. It's very simple and easy. Now since I already have it in my system, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to open a GitHub project. So first I will open the GitHub. I will go into my GitHub account. So look, I have already signed in using my Gmail account. So now I'm going to go in my repositories. So these are the list of repositories that exist in my system. So I'm going to clone this banking data repository. So for that, I will go in my repository and I will go in HTTPS and I will just copy the path and I will use this command git clone and then followed by the path. So just copy and paste and just copy and paste this command in the Visual Studio Code and you need to press enter. Look, we are done. Now I'm going to go in my repository, go to this repository and let me just go into my repository. Where is the banking data? This one. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the process how to open a GitHub project. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.